Geranium Whiteness, your guide to the elegant white cranesbill. Hi, I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer all your questions about the Geranium Whiteness, also known as Geranium macrorrhizum Whiteness. This stunning perennial boasts pure white blooms and adds a touch of sophistication to any garden. What is Geranium Whiteness? Geranium Whiteness is a compact cranesbill variety prized for its elegant white flowers and easygoing nature. Unlike its vibrantly colored cousins, Geranium Whiteness offers a clean, crisp aesthetic that complements various garden styles. Is Geranium Whiteness the same as a geranium? While both belong to the Geraniaceae family, Geranium Whiteness is a cranesbill, a subcategory known for its rounded, lobed foliage. True geraniums, often seen in window boxes, have more star-shaped leaves. Cranesbills, like Geranium Whiteness, tend to be more cold-hardy and low-maintenance. What are the benefits of growing Geranium Whiteness? There are many reasons to fall in love with Geranium Whiteness. Easy to grow, this low-maintenance plant thrives with minimal care. Drought-tolerant. Once established, Geranium Whiteness tolerates dry spells, making it ideal for forgetful gardeners or hot climates. Shade-tolerant. Unlike many flowering plants, Geranium Whiteness tolerates partial shade, offering beauty in areas with less direct sunlight. Pest and disease resistant. Geranium Whiteness is naturally resistant to most pests and diseases, reducing the need for harsh chemicals. Long blooming season. Enjoy a profusion of white blooms from late spring to early summer, with occasional repeat blooms throughout the season. Attracts pollinators. The delicate white flowers attract butterflies, bees, and other beneficial insects. Deer and rabbit resistant. Unbothered by browsing animals, Geranium Whiteness offers peace of mind for gardeners in areas with wildlife. How do I care for Geranium Whiteness? Here's what you need to know to keep your Geranium Whiteness thriving. Planting. Choose a well-drained location with full or partial sun. Amend soil with compost for additional drainage if needed. Space plants 12 to 18 inches apart. Watering. Water regularly during the first growing season, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Once established, Geranium Whiteness is quite drought-tolerant. Feeding. Fertilize lightly in early spring with a balanced fertilizer. Pruning. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage continued blooming. Prune lightly in early spring to remove any dead or winter-damaged foliage. Winter care. Geranium Whiteness is a hardy perennial and requires no special winter protection in most climates. Simply remove any dead foliage in late fall. Can I grow Geranium Whiteness in a pot? Absolutely. Geranium Whiteness thrives in containers, making it perfect for balconies, patios, or smaller gardens. Choose a pot with drainage holes and use a well-draining potting mix. Water regularly during the growing season and adjust watering based on pot size and weather conditions. What are some companion plants for Geranium Whiteness? Geranium Whiteness pairs beautifully with a variety of plants. Ferns. The delicate foliage of ferns complements the rounded leaves and white blooms of Geranium Whiteness. Hacanecloa. This ornamental grass adds texture and movement to a planting scheme with Geranium Whiteness. Ophiopogon. Mondo grass. The evergreen foliage of mondo grass provides a clean backdrop for the white blooms. Hostas. The contrasting textures and colors of hostas create a stunning combination with Geranium Whiteness. Where can I buy Geranium Whiteness? Geranium Whiteness is readily available at many online nurseries and garden centers. Look for healthy plants with vibrant green foliage and no signs of disease. Conclusion. Geranium Whiteness is a versatile and elegant perennial that offers a multitude of benefits for gardeners. With its ease of care, long bloom season, and attractive white flowers, it's a welcome addition to any garden. So why not give Geranium Whiteness a try and add a touch of sophisticated charm to your outdoor space?